Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Ford F250. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a tape measure, and some masking tape. Next, ensure your truck is parked on a completely level surface. Finally, position your F250 exactly 25 feet from a flat wall or garage door, ready for the next steps. Now, let's prepare your aiming target. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your F250's headlight lens. Transfer this exact measurement to the wall, marking it with a horizontal piece of tape. Then, for each headlight, place a vertical strip of tape directly in line with its center, creating a clear crosshair for aiming. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust. Pop your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back or top of each headlight assembly. Typically, a Phillips head screwdriver is used for these. Turn the screw to move the beam up or down. Clockwise usually raises the light, while counterclockwise lowers it. Aim for the top of the low beam to be just below your horizontal tape line. After making your adjustments, double-check both headlights to ensure they are aimed evenly and correctly. Take your F250 for a short drive to confirm the new alignment provides optimal visibility without blinding other drivers. Proper headlight aim is crucial for safety. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.